Welcome to Every Tech Job Explained. The tech industry is vast, and with so many roles out there, it can be difficult to know where to start. Whether you're considering a career change or just curious about what goes on behind the scenes, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the most common and not so common tech jobs, what each role really involves, and the skills you'll need to thrive. Let's jump right in. Let's go. Professional hacker or penetration tester is hired to find vulnerabilities in a company's system before real hackers do. They perform controlled attacks using the same techniques as cyber criminals, but with permission. After testing, they recommend how to fix the weaknesses and improve security. It's one of the most in-demand and well-paid roles in cybersecurity. IT support specialist is the go-to person for troubleshooting and resolving technical issues within a company. They handle hardware and software problems, help with system upgrades, and assist with general tech needs. Whether it's fixing a printer, resetting passwords, or setting up new equipment, they ensure everything runs smoothly for employees. A network administrator manages and maintains an organization's computer networks, ensuring they are secure, efficient, and reliable. They handle tasks like configuring routers, switches, firewalls, and keeping connections stable. Network admins are essential for the connectivity and communication that modern businesses rely on. Threat Hunter proactively looks for security threats within an organization's networks, systems, and applications. Using advanced tools and data analysis, they detect hidden and sophisticated attacks that automated defenses might miss. Security architect is a senior IT professional who designs and implements security systems to protect an organization's infrastructure. They create secure network architectures, choose the right security technologies, and ensure all systems are protected. System administrator, sysadmin, manages the operating systems and servers that keep an organization running. They ensure systems are updated, properly configured, and secure. Sysadmins handle backups, monitor performance, and maintain server health, making sure everything from email to cloud storage works smoothly. An IT security specialist or cybersecurity analyst protects an organization's systems from threats like hackers, malware, and data breaches. They implement firewalls, encryption, and security protocols, monitor network traffic, perform vulnerability assessments, and respond to incidents to keep data safe. Software developer designs, builds, and maintains applications or systems to solve problems and improve user experiences. They write code in languages like Python, Java, or C++, and handle the full development cycle. Web developer builds websites and web applications, working on both front-end, user interface, and back-end, server-side development. They use languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and Node.js to create responsive, user-friendly sites. Security analyst monitors and defends an organization's networks, systems, and data from cyber threats. They investigate suspicious activity, implement security protocols, and use tools like firewalls and intrusion detection systems to prevent attacks. A database administrator manages, maintains, and secures an organization's databases. They ensure data is stored correctly, optimized for performance, and regularly backed up. Data analyst collects, processes, and analyzes large data sets to uncover insights that guide business decisions. Using tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization platforms, they identify trends and present findings in an understandable way. Cloud engineer designs, develops, and manages cloud-based systems using platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. They handle infrastructure, application deployment, security, cost management, and automation to ensure businesses use cloud resources efficiently. Devops Engineer bridges software development and IT operations by automating and streamlining processes using tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. IT consultant advises businesses on improving their IT systems by assessing current technology, identifying inefficiencies, and recommending solutions. Business analyst collaborates with IT teams and business units to identify and solve problems through technology. They gather requirements, analyze processes, and create solutions that align with business goals. System architect designs the structure of IT systems, creating blueprints that define how software and hardware components work together. They focus on scalability, performance, and security to ensure systems can grow and meet business needs. IT trainer teaches employees how to use technology effectively, designing training programs, conducting workshops, and creating resources to improve IT skills and ensure confidence in using tech tools. Network engineer designs, implements, and manages networks, ensuring smooth data flow across devices. They work with routers, switches, and firewalls, troubleshoot issues, manage security, and optimize performance for maximum uptime. IT director oversees the IT department, aligning technology strategies with business goals, managing budgets, and leading IT teams. AI specialist design and implement systems that enable machines to mimic human intelligence. They work on projects like machine learning, NLP, robotics, and computer vision, helping businesses automate tasks, enhance data analysis, and create smart products driving industry innovation. Blockchain developer create decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts on blockchain networks. They build the infrastructure that supports cryptocurrencies and distributed ledger systems, ensuring data on blockchains is secure, immutable, and transparent. Thanks for watching Every Tech Job Explained. We hope this video helped you get a better idea of the many career paths available in tech and which ones might be the right fit for you.